Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your understanding of AI with MIT OpenCourseWare step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the MIT OpenCourseWare website. Type ocw.mit.edu into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, find the search bar at the top right corner. Enter the term artificial intelligence in the search bar. Review the list of courses related to AI that appears. Select a course that interests you. Take note of the course title and description. Download the course syllabus to understand the structure and content. Explore the course materials, such as lecture notes and assignments. Check if there are video lectures available. Play a few video lectures to get a feel for the teaching style and content. Make sure to take notes while you learn. Engage with the assignments and projects if they are provided. Join online forums or study groups to discuss the material with others. Consider scheduling regular study sessions to maintain a steady pace. As you progress, revisit the course materials for reinforcement. After completing the course, look for additional resources or advanced topics. Explore related courses on MIT OpenCourseWare for broader knowledge. Finally, reflect on what you've learned and how you will apply it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.